Hey there, everybody, it's me, your inner otter. We're here in beautiful downtown Battle Lake, Minnesota, and we're in the mood for a little bit of breakfast, maybe a burger, and maybe some bowling. So we're here at Shoreline Restaurant, Bar and Bowl, and let's go inside and see what's cooking. So I'm here with Mike now, the owner. How's it going, Mike?
It's going awesome.
So what are some of your more popular items? What are you going to show us how you make?
We have a Walleye Benedict and we have a West Batler Burger that is so popular it actually has smoked walleye on it.
So what are we going to start with here?
So we're going to start with our Walleye Benedict. Got a couple eggs, got an English muffin. We pan fry our walleye with our own seasoning. And a lot of people do Benedicts with poached eggs, but we like to baste our eggs. So we do steam basted, just like that. All right, we're gonna get our plate going. We got our English muffin. We got an awesome Shoreline crispy hash brown. Look at that, amazing. And I'm gonna grab the walleye over here. There's our pan fried walleye with our homemade pan fry crumbs. Just like that, we're gonna put the egg on top of there, and then we're gonna put some hollandaise sauce on top of that. Just awesome, creamy, tasty. So how are you doing today?
I'm pretty good. I'm pretty excited. I like fish, so I'm pretty excited that you got two. You got a breakfast item with some fish and a burger with some fish. I'm excited about that.
That is good. All right, so we have our basted egg. I'm gonna grab this plate. Put our egg right on top of the walleye. Got our wonderful creamy hollandaise sauce right on top of that. Look at that.
And what's that called again?
This is our Walleye Benedict. Wonderful, very popular. Everybody loves it. And when you're in Ottertail County, you gotta have some walleye, of course. So best place to do that is right here at Shoreline. Now we got our West Batler Burger. It's kind of a, every menu needs something fun. It needs kind of a novelty, if you will. Everybody loves a burger. So we decided to take some smoked walleye that we smoke in-house. We decided to put it on a burger and see how it tasted. And lo and behold, it turns out to be an amazing burger, just amazing. And this is our smoked walleye that we smoked ourselves, and we bunch it up a little bit. We're gonna put that on, heat it up. We've got some fresh baby spinach, which kind of looks like seaweed basically. So you got your walleye, you got your seaweed, you got your burger, kind of a surf and turf kind of thing. So we're gonna quick steam that. This is actually our Spinach Artichoke Dip that we put on here. Kind of a secret, so don't tell anyone. But it is wonderful. Cream cheese, and we put that right on top of the burger. We've got our steamed spinach we're going to put right on top of the burger. And we've got our smoked walleye. All right. There you go. Cream cheese, baby spinach, smoked walleye. We're going to put that right on a nice buttered egg bun. Gotta love that.
One of the really neat things about the Shoreline is not only do they have great breakfast and burgers, they've got bowling too. So Mike, how long have you owned this place?
Well, I've worked here for about 5 or 6 years, but I've owned it for 3 years now.
So and what brought you here? Why'd you decide to come here?
It's small town, it's rural. Actually lived in Denver for about 25 years and was a head chef downtown Denver, and really got tired of the hustle and bustle of the city. City life, it's go, 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 and it's hurry up to get nowhere, and just decided that I wanted to get back to that rural life and enjoy the freedoms that we have out here, such as the wonderful lakes, campfires, wonderful people, friendly people, clean air, all the above.
So there you have it, folks. If you're in the mood for a wonderful breakfast or a fantastic burger or maybe some bowling or you want to be at a place with a view of the lake, come on out to Shoreline Restaurant, Bar and Bowling, and make sure to let them know that your Inner Otter sent you. See ya!